So I have a little bit of red, well, a lot of red, and some yellow fondant as well. And a little bit of this is going to go a long, long way. So what we're going to do is kind of the same as what we did to make the candles themselves. You're going to be using that marble effect. Now you're going to want significantly more yellow than red. You don't want the red to overpower the yellow and turn it into too dark of an orange. So start with your two colors and just kind of warm them up in your fingers to begin with. And sometimes I find if you roll it out into like a little sausage first, you get a little more uniform. But you can do it however you like. You just don't want to completely overmix this. Now you want this mixed a little bit better than you did on your candles. You don't want the real distinct stripes of red and yellow, but you do want it to have some variation. That looks pretty good. So all we're going to do is take a small amount and we're going to roll it in between our hands into a ball. And then I'm going to shape it just like that, almost like a rose cone. If you've watched gum paste flowers, either 1, 2, or 3, when you make a rose cone, it looks just like that. And all I'm going to do is take a little bit of water on the top and just put it on the top. Just like that. And you want these to be pretty similar in size. And you're just going to repeat this all the way around the cake. So we've gone ahead and added the rest of our flames to our candles, and there we have our finished Hanukkah cake. I hope you enjoyed making it with me today. I really enjoyed showing it to you, and happy Hanukkah.